Welcome back to Quiz Booster. Let's check your observation skill with odd one-out puzzles. We've got 10 fresh and exciting puzzles waiting for you. Are you ready for the challenge?
Puzzle 1.
Spot the odd emoji. Can you find it? Excellent, you figured it out.
Puzzle 2.
Look closely. Can you identify the odd emoji? Great job, you found it.
Puzzle 3.
Excellent, you figured it out.
Puzzle 4.
Well done, you spotted it.
Puzzle 5.
Can you pick the odd emoji out?
Puzzle 6.
Fantastic, you saw it.
Puzzle 7.
One emoji is different. Can you figure it out? Well done, you spotted it.
Puzzle 8.
Excellent, you figured it out.
Puzzle 9.
Great job, you found it.
Puzzle 10.
One emoji is different. Can you figure it out? Great job, you found it. Comment your score and follow us for more.